friends, my name is Rashid from Junior High School YPK in 70. In this vlog, I will make Sekoteng, the Java traditional drink, uh, and I will showing you how to make the Sekoteng in this video. The the first is prepare the ingredient. The ingredient is sugar, and then oh bagus kah? And then cengkeh leaf, secang wood, pal leaf, and sweet root, ginger and ginger. The first step is we will heat up the water in. Okay. Waiting for 5 minutes. Put in the it put in the ingredient. Put in the water. Stir evenly. This coating is ready for green. Kemana? Okay. Minum. Panas. Thank you guys. See you in the next vlog.